The world of diamonds. The world of cheese. The world of matcha. The world of chocolate and matcha. The universe. Welcome to Keyboard Escape. Ready for a keyboard escape? Only the best can win. 7 levels until you claim victory. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Jump and duck. Oh, wow! Woo! The world of diamonds! Nice! Good job! Get ready for the next level! Stay alive! Redo the duck dance and add some new moves. Smash and mirror me! Oh, wow! The world of cheese! Woo! Rainbow world! Nice! Watch out! Keep moving! 3, 2, 1! Let's go! Jump, duck, smash, and left or right! Oh, wow! Encountered the matcha world again! Woo! Oh my god! It's a chocolate world! Whoa! The world of honey! Really wonderful! Wrong key! 3, 2, 1! Let's go! Let's do that move again! Oh, chocolate world and chocolate milk are really great! Matcha! Vanilla! Sokola! Chocolate! We have arrived in the world inside the spaceship! Oh no, it's not the lava map! Oh no, it's the lava world! It's so hot! Stay focused! Keep moving! 3, 2, 1! Let's go! Let's keep going! This time, it'll be faster! Ooh, now it's the chocolate world meeting the matcha world! So interesting! Here we are again in the world of rainbows. Oh no! I'm in the lava world again! Stop! Go, go, go! Stop! Go! Stop! Go, go, go! Speed up! Run faster! Faster! More intense with what's been done somehow! Oh, wow! It's a world in the sky! Really amazing! Be careful! Break time. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Almost out of here. Speed up faster.
Oh, wow! We are in the universe! It's awesome!
Congratulations! You got out of here! Thanks for watching! See you soon!